Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th mathematics chapter number 1 real number important questions, right? So this video is especially for the Telangana State Board and Andhra State Board. So let's just start that video here. So this is going to be very important for the both state board, right? So this is very important mathematics paper with the answers it also. Okay na? Right, so you can see this one. Okay, so then after the terminating decimal in the rational number. Okay, is it clear? Then non-terminating recurring decimal in rational number. Actually here it is given about something interesting topic about this one. Let's give a brief knowledge to you. So if you want to know about this, so you can be see that one, otherwise you can skip it, and you can go to the next one. Okay, now real number is it? What is real number? Is it given here? And about their interaction here, it is given about logarithm. Next, laws of logarithm. What is the law of logarithm? They given. Okay, and easy types of questions. Okay, so question is starting from here. Introduction is completed. The question is starting from here. Prove that 3 is a irrational number. Okay, na? And then here you can see. Then prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. This is a very important question. They will definitely ask you this question in 7 marks. Okay, then we can see that one also. Prove that root 5 plus root 2 is irrational. That's also important question. Okay na? Is it clear? Prove that first law of logarithm. That's one. Then you can come to the model question. Okay na? That's also important. Prove that third law of logarithm states. Okay, then you can see that one also. Well, so short question answer is starting from here. So let's see this one. Okay, hence verified. Find the value of x, y and z in the following facts. Okay, you can see that one. Okay, then 7th one you can see. Prove that 2 plus 3. Okay, determine the value of following. Okay, here you can see. Then let's let logarithm x equals to, right. Explain the following. Then very short answer here. Okay na? You can see. Okay, well actually I have lots of paper in mathematics. Okay na? So don't worry, I will try to show you. Okay na? Check whether 6 and can end with. Okay, here you can see. Then here you can also see. Alright, then a multiple choice question is it. So if you want to see the multiple choice question, you can see. Okay, and here is the key concept of the multiple choice question, and they are fill in the blanks is given. HCF and something. Okay, well actually in this video is it till here only. Whatever in this, everything is clear. I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you, and we will meet another video. Jai Hind.